We're taking a quick look at the Ernie Ball acoustic guitar strings, Earthwood, phosphorus bronze alloy, medium light, and the gauge is from 12, 16, 24, 32, 44, all the way to 54. And this has a warm, balanced sound, rich, full tone with natural feel, precision wound, phosphor bronze, wrap wire, perfect for all musical genres and playing styles. So here we have all the different individually packaged strings, and this is the 54, has the bronze, phosphorus bronze on it, and it's that way all the way until the 16 gauge and the 12, which are plain strings. Won't have that phosphorus bronze, they'll just kind of always be that gray silver color. And this has been the Ernie Ball acoustic guitar strings, Earthwood, phosphorus bronze alloy, medium light.